Alright, the next step in the course we're going to go over is how does it work? I know many of you are saying, how does this whole thing work? We're going to be creating an ebook to market in the Amazon Direct Publishing Program. And what that is it's a program that Amazon has set up so people can, anyone can publish ebooks to their Kindle marketplace. And if you just think about how big the Kindle marketplace is, you can imagine how many people we're going to reach when we publish our ebooks. Now, in the program, you're allowed to give the book away for free 5 days out of every 90. Now, this is the key to it. You're going to want to give it away for free. Now, the thing is, when you give it away for free, you can only do it 5 days out of the 90. So make sure you know the ebook when you make it, which date you're going to give it away for free. So what I would do is create a calendar where you can set up each date, and then you can put each ebook on each date you're going to give it away. Because if you make 12 ebooks, you will have every day you'll give one away for free, and every day you'll have a swarm of traffic coming at you. So it's always good to be organized with that, because if you give one book, like a book away on Tuesday and then Wednesday right after that, you're going to be confused, oh, this book only has 3 days left. But if you just dedicate one date to each book and then swap it out for the other two that aren't eligible because the days have run out, then you can be more organized. So just assign each date to each book. It's more organized like that. Now, when you give the book away for free, you'll be getting a large swarm of traffic from people who are interested in your niche. So let's say someone who's a list builder. He likes list building, so he's in that niche. He's interested in it. He'll go on the Kindle marketplace and he'll see a book on list building, and it's free today. So he'll download it, and then many people like that will do that, and then that's how you get people to look at your book. They're interested in the niche. Alright, now in the book, we'll have a link to a squeeze page where people can opt in to get a free incentive. So that's how we build our list. We're getting tons and tons of people to download our book for free on these certain days. And when they read it, they'll scroll down to the bottom of the book and they'll see an opt-in page. So it'll say something like, get this free report. And then when they do that, they'll click on it, they'll go to the page, they'll put in their email and they'll get the free report. And now they're added to your list and you can market to them in the future. Now, you have two options here. You can either A, make a freebie list, or B, make a buyer's list. A freebie list is someone who joins your list for free and they don't pay anything, and then you want to market to them, turn them into a buyer. A buyer's list is when someone buys something and then they join your list, so they've already cracked open their wallet. Now, there's different advantages to both. Freebie list, you'll get more people to sign up, and it'll be done. You'll get the list up in numbers quicker, but it's a lot harder to get them. It's not a lot hard. It's harder to get them to actually buy something. You have to market to them longer. A buyer's list, on the other hand, they'll actually be a lot easier to sell stuff to them because they've already bought something. They've already cracked open their wallet. But it does take longer to build that list because less people will sign up, because of course it costs $1 versus if it was free, it would take less time. So you have to choose right now between if you want to build a buyer's list or a freebie list. What you could also do, and I'll cover this in the next slide, is plan out your calendar so that you can have, let's say, certain couple books be a freebie one, and then a couple books be a buyer's one. So you can build both lists. You can build a buyer's list and a freebie list, and that allows you to manage it and get a little bit of both, you know? Now, the more books we make, the more days of the week we can give them away for free. Since each book can only be given away 5 days out of every 90, if we make 12 books, 12 times 5 is 90, and we can build a list with highly targeted traffic every single day. We're creating a list building equity source, or no, it's called an asset. Yes, a list building asset, excuse me. But that's exactly what we're making. We're making something that has value to us and we can keep using for the rest of our life, because after 90 days, the cycle ends and then the days recycle, so you can keep reusing the content. So again, you have a little bit to think about right now before we go forward. Do you want to build a buyer's list? Do you want to build a freebie list? Do you want to do both? Totally up to you. But it does entail you to make the decision right now, because in the next steps we're talking about how to pick our niche, how to start building the book and stuff like that. So definitely decide what to do right now.